Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today we're drawing one of the greatest football players in history, Lionel Messi, known for his incredible vision, dribbling skills, and countless achievements. Messi has inspired millions of football fans around the world. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic portrait step by step. Let's begin by lightly sketching the basic shape of the head. Always start with simple guidelines to establish the correct proportions. These construction lines help position the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears accurately. Once the outline is complete, we can move on to the facial features. The eyes are one of the most important parts of any portrait because they bring the drawing to life. Take your time shaping them carefully, paying attention to the eyelids, eyebrows, and the direction of the gaze. Next, we'll draw the nose and lips using soft shading instead of harsh outlines. Building shadows gradually creates a much more realistic appearance. Now it's time to work on Messi's iconic hairstyle. Use short, controlled pencil strokes that follow the natural direction of the hair. Avoid drawing individual strands everywhere. Instead, focus on creating texture by grouping the hair into sections. The beard is another defining feature of this portrait. Rather than outlining every single hair, use different pencil pressures to build depth. Darker values create thicker areas, while lighter strokes produce a natural transition. With the face complete, we can begin sketching the Argentina jersey. Keep the lines clean and pay attention to the folds in the fabric. These subtle details make the drawing feel more realistic and dynamic. Now comes one of the most satisfying stages, shading. Slowly build darker tones around the neck, jawline, beard, and under the hair. Layering graphite gradually gives the portrait smooth transitions and realistic depth. Don't rush this process. Realistic portraits are created through patience and careful observation. Compare your drawing with the reference often and make small adjustments whenever necessary. To make the portrait stand out even more, add stronger contrast in the darkest, shadows while preserving the brightest, highlights on the forehead, nose, and cheeks. This balance creates a three-dimensional effect. As we approach the final stage, erase any unnecessary guidelines and clean the edges of the portrait. Use a kneaded eraser to lift highlights from the hair and beard, adding more texture and realism. I hope this tutorial encourages you to keep practicing portrait drawing. Remember that improvement comes with consistency, so don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. Every drawing teaches you something new. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe to Hobbyist Artist. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial on Hobbyist Artist.